This is the best thermostat for like 70 bucks. You can get this at Lowe's. It's very cheap. Come here. You can see this is right now we are at 70 degrees. It's winter, obviously it's snowing. If you want to put this to heat, it's at heat right now. You click this, click, go to heat. If you want cool, you click it again and then it goes to cool. Very simple. Right now it's at 70 degrees. It's too low. If you want to increase the temperature, click this. If you want to decrease, this. That's why it has plus and minus. So right now I want to put it to, let's say, 75. That's a good temperature. And if you want to put it to cold, like I said, click here. You want to get out of the settings. See, it says permanent hold or temporary hold. To get rid of that settings, you click this middle, go to the options, click again, and then boom. Now it's out of that. But if I want to put cool, there, put cool, and then drop this down. But obviously it's freaking winter, so let me get out of this setting again. Okay. So the reason why this is the best for 70 bucks is because it has a lit screen, blue lit screen. Look how big this is. This is like what, 6 inches in length. So and this takes batteries, so this could fit every other type of house. Also, it doesn't get stains. It's white, but it doesn't get stains. Its buttons are audible, clickable, and battery lasts a very long time. So I think, in my opinion, this is like the best non-Wi-Fi, like you don't have to hassle, Wi-Fi and with any of those technologies. Just simple click. These are for grandmas, grandpas, but yeah, for 70 bucks, you can get better than that, man. It's very simple, like you said. You don't need to deal with any wires. It has 4 wires that you put on. We showed you on the video before. Check that out if you haven't. And this was just how to show you how to program it very simply. If you click here, you can change the time, the date, whatever you need. If you click this, the middle button, the middle, and you click that, it says hold. Click here. You could program it by clicking this again, or you could click time, go through time, date. Click this, put on your date. But we don't want to do that because that's all done and set right now. Yep. And right now the fan is working since he put that. The fan started. Yep. Everything is working fine. Right now, if you want to turn off the fan, you click this. Right now it's at fan auto off. Now this is fan on, but I wanted to be on auto, so there you go. This automatically puts the fan on whenever the temperature drops. It just comes back up again. So hopefully this is the best. It's called T-5 Thermostat Programmable Thermostat. So you can program this if you want to. So hopefully you guys buy this instead of the other version. We're not sponsored. This is just video that we want to create because I think this is a good deal. 70 bucks. That's it, man.